lower. He's making no profit off of this. So he put it up as 0.015. I don't know why he would do something like that, but he did, and someone bought it called, okay, I'm not going to even try and pronounce that, but someone bought it, and they bought it for 0.03. So that's pretty crazy, not gonna lie. Pretty crazy stuff. Because it was at, the price just went lower and lower and lower. Okay, not lower. So this person sold it to Muffa, and that was for 0.015, and then they just doubled it up, and they sold it. They sold it, and I'm guessing the person who owns this now is this guy here. And excuse me, I guess you could go to like a specific person who owns the thing, and you can see you have these little twerky bunnies. That's a bit crazy. And I'm guessing this on Polygon. So this is another type of collection that people can have. And this is sushi. Oh, so people actually did like digital sushi. So he bought the card there. He owns a ton of stuff. Like, look at this. And you can just check out his collection. Like, he has a collection that you can check out, as well as sushi and things like that. And that's really cool. He even has a card and things like that. So I'm guessing he is a collector and he trades a lot as well. So he favorited a lot. He just buys things. Wow, that's quite interesting. He trades a lot. Unfortunately, there's no way. Oh, he joined in 2021 March, but he's bought so much. This guy has bought so much. Guy or girl. Yeah, so that is very interesting. I think I'm done looking at this card collection. So what I am gonna do is head on over back here, back again, and we are going to look for more collections because I want to find it. They have a Waifu Genesis card collection. Wow. Let's see any other things that we can. Ooh, Otter Army. Wow, let's check that out. That would be cool. Oh wow, so they literally just put like otters in different. Oh, they changed it. So this was, I guess this was recent, and then this is what they always had in place. So yeah, this is very cool. I guess this is for like LGBT, thinking of like the rainbow stuff. I think I'm not really sure, but yeah. So there's some of them are eating fish, some of them are just looking up. They're looking really cute. That's adorable. And so I'm just gonna swipe down here. One is smoking. Oh wow. Okay. One has a fish in his mouth.